Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a case study of one of our client that have increased his sales from doing 20 lakhs to doing 27 lakhs in less than 30 days. Now I'm going to show you his account, and then I'm going to show you what strategies we have tried to use and what strategies have worked, all those sorts of things. So I hope you really like this case study. So let me just jump to my computer and show you how we scale this account from doing 20 lakhs to doing 27 lakhs in less than 30 days. So here in the screen, you can see the account. I'll just do a refresh. Now you will not be able to see his brand name, the seller's name, the products, the listing, due to the confidentiality that we cannot share all those kind of things. So here you can see today's sales, which is not of our use. I'll do first custom, then I'll choose a date of last month. So let's do it from 6 to 7 and apply. So you can see in the last 30 days, it generated 27.82, which is close to 28 lakhs. Now let me just do it the last before that. Now this client joined with us in just less than 30 days, and let me show you what were its sale before joining with us. So you can see the sales was 21 lakhs 27,000 before they have joined with us, before they have taken our services or decided to join our agency. And this is the sales 21 lakhs, which was before joining with us. Before we have started working on their ads, before we have started working on their images, before we have started working on their listing, the optimization, all text, cross-sell, upsell, all those kind of things. So let me show you, because you know that when we go to sell a product, only product doesn't do all. You have to have a proper system. You have to know what is the LTV of that client, of that account. How much is the cost per acquisition for selling one product? You also have to set proper cross sellings. You know, the alt in the A plus content, you get the module where you can put other products. In the brand story, you get the option where you can put other products, images which are clickable. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know how to use brand story where you can get clickable images that will go to your listing. I'm sure a lot of you don't know that now Amazon is driving so much organic traffic to stores. If you have a store created, then you are getting free traffic. I'm sure for that. If you're not, create a store. So here, not only building A plus content, having a proper images with proper infographics that describes the product, a proper video. Now, if you don't know, we have our in-house team that does our images, the infographics, the photo shoot with model, without model, the production quality videos with model, indoor, outdoor, whatever you want. So here you can see this is the sales 21 lakhs 27,000 before they have joined with us. Now let me show you the sales after they have joined with us of the last 30 days. So I'll set the date of today and hit apply. So you can see it is 27.82, almost 28 lakhs. Now let me show you the campaign structure of this account. How's the ads performing? Okay. So here you can see the last 30 days. I have removed all filters so that we haven't paused, so that I can show you that I haven't just paused any campaigns that were not performing. These are campaigns, all the campaigns are there or here. Okay, no filters are added, all campaigns are here. Last 30 days, you can see we have spent close to around 39,000, and the sales we have generated through ads, only ads, is 3,42,000, which is fairly less because we are not focusing. Our budget is distributed morely like 80% to the sponsored products right now. But in the last week, we are focusing on the retargeting, sponsored displays, all those kind of things. Because if you don't know, if you haven't checked out my 10-part series on advertising, advanced advertising, you have came across with a strategy of omnipresence that we use, where we put our listing. We take 90% space in the search page. Whenever a customer search our keyword, we take 90% of the space. They only see our brand. If they see only our brand, then what is the chance that they will go to other products to purchase? Very less likely, right? So here you can see Here, the sales is around 3.42 lakhs and the ROAS. The return on ad spend, you can see 8.78. It is good, right? Yeah. And the ACOS is 11.39. And if I give you the TACOS, it is very, very less. The TACOS is very, very less. That is why we are going aggressive right now. We are going aggressive right now. And the CTR is really good. That tells you how good the main image is. If you see a lower CTR, I'm sure you know that the image is not converting. The review is not there. Now, I'm not going to tell you the secret of getting reviews. So here you can see this is the sales that is generated. Not so much campaigns are being run. You know, when an agency takes a client, they make some mistake. They make some mistake on creating so many campaigns just to impress the client that we can give you sales. But they forgets that, okay, they have to also control the ACOS. They completely forgets that they also have to control the ACOS, because after all, the client wants margin of their products in their products. So here you can see we have not only controlled the spend, but the ACOS. 11% ACOS, how rare is it? Not so much, but still it is rare enough. So here it is 11% ACOS. I'll just zoom it for you so that you can take a screenshot and use it as your motivation. Okay. So here you can see 11.39% ACOS. No campaigns are paused or deleted or archived. So here no campaigns are archived. Here you can see the click-through rate is good. That proves the image quality. So this is one of the account. Now, what type of campaigns have we created? So for this account, we have a simple strategy. We have a simple strategy for this account because these products are really good. Now, what we did, the normal campaigns, we did the keyword research through Helium 10 and brand analytics. We look into the brand analytics report. You have to look at alternate purchase behavior. You have to look at market basket analysis to know which are the products frequently bought together and which are the products your competitors selling on your listing. After you know that, you know exactly which products to target and which products to show on your listing. There comes a play of display ads and product targeting. I'm sure if you are looking into campaigns lately, then you have seen that product targeting ads or product placements also takes maximum space and maximum sales. So that is what we have done here. Keyword campaigns are there. The keyword campaigns are we generally focus on exact and phrase. We start broad very late when the campaigns are proven to give results. Then we start broad because now Amazon knows this listing belongs to this keywords. Then our second layer of auto campaigns, we create like 16 auto campaigns. Now, why we create 16 auto campaigns? We have separate rules for that, separate targeting, separate placements, those kind of things. Again, always have retargeting campaigns who have visited your listing in the last 30 days, last 7 days, last 14 days, whatever it suits your product, you can do it. Next is obviously set brand protection campaigns, which is a must set brand protection campaigns. So these were the few campaigns that we have created, and now we are scaling. We are going to the omnipresent strategy. For omnipresent strategy, we need to create a lot of campaigns, not with a lot of budget, but with a lot of different kind of placements, a lot of different kind of type of ads like sponsored display products, those kind of things, headline search ads using custom images, all those kind of things. Now I'll show you a few more case studies of few of our clients. Few of more of our clients. I have probably shown you the case study of one of our client who does 2.5 million USD every year with a cost, I think close to 20% or 19%, I guess, with a TACOS of 3%. I'll probably show you more case studies of our clients. And if you're interested to join with us to take advantage of our agency done for you advertising service, we can take care of your account as well. So if you're interested, there is a form below. You can fill that form. If you qualify, you will get a call and we will connect soon. Thank you so much. I hope this video really helped you.